most impressive new car so far this year is the XPeng P7. To be clear, the XPeng P7 is an all-world beater in terms of its design, performance, or powertrain technology. It's merely an accomplished EV, quick and smooth, quiet and comfortable, handsome in the Tesla Model S fashion, but with a more luxurious interior and similar levels of tech. The XPeng P7 is a graphic example of the new reality of the auto business in the EV age. All three XPeng vehicles feature an end-to-end software architecture developed in-house that supports a wide variety of functions. The X-Smart operating system controls the car's connectivity functions, infotainment systems, and its nascent AI capabilities, including the XPeng voice activation function and smart navigation setup.